If you have been in cassava farming for a while, you would realize that the leaves sometimes will become yellow all over the plant. You'll be surprised to learn that this is the reason why your cassava farm do not produce as much as you expect. I've taken a lot of time to research it and come up with the best and readily available at-home solutions to this problem so that you can be productive in your farming venture. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me keep on with this work. Alright, let's dive in. Yellowing leaves can indicate a nutrient deficiency, pest infestation, or disease. In the case of cassava, the primary culprit is often nutrient deficiency, specifically nitrogen. Cassava requires a good amount of nitrogen for healthy leaf growth. Lack of nitrogen can lead to stunted growth and yellowing leaves starting from the underneath of the plant. The major source of your losses from your cassava farm can be attributed to nitrogen deficiency. Nitrogen is ridiculously abundant in nature though. It composes about 70% of the atmosphere. However, plants cannot use it in its inert atmospheric form. There is the need, therefore, to supply your cassava farm with enough nitrogen in a form that can be used by the plant. Here are some simple and readily available at-home options that are rich in nitrogen and can be used to nourish your plants. The first one I'll talk about is human hair. You might not know, but human hair is surprisingly high in nitrogen. According to a report by the Oregon State University, human hair contains 51% carbon, 21% oxygen, and 17% nitrogen. This makes waste human hair a good source of organic fertilizer. Mix handful or more hair in the soil at the time of planting. Note that it is crucial to do it before planting your cassava. It will aid the plant with the required nitrogen and better growth. Now, what if you've already grown your cassava and you realize yellowing of the leaves? Well, it's not too late. However, human hair won't decompose quickly. Here are other options that can quickly eliminate the problem and boost your cassava harvest. Grass clippings. After mowing your lawn, leave the grass clippings to decompose around your plants. They release nitrogen as they break down. Also, kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, fruit cores, and other kitchen scraps can be added to your compost pile. As they decompose, they release nitrogen into the compost. Also, eggshells. Crushed eggshells are rich in calcium and a small amount of nitrogen. They can be added to your compost or directly to the soil. Animal manure. If you have rabbit, chicken, or other animals at home, their manure is a nitrogen-rich resource. Let it age for a bit before using it as fertilizer. So that's it. Remember, a little care goes a long way in ensuring your cassava plant thrive and produce those delicious tubers. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy farming.